He's Marty the Martian, he's curious in every way, discovering and learning new things every day. He's Marty, he's Marty, he's Marty.
Greetings, little Martians! Today, we're gonna be using Mentos and putting them in Coke. I wonder what's gonna happen. I know. Let's get some help from my friend Yardom. Yardom! Are you ready to do some mental Coke experiments? This is gonna be so much fun! And of course, we always need our handy dandy adult to come help us. What color do you want to do first, Yardom? Yardom says he wants blue. Alright, let's get our handy dandy adult to help us. We're gonna put one Mento inside the blue Coke bottle, okay? First, we need to take off the cap. Ooh, did you guys hear that? That was all the air and carbon dioxide being let out of the bottle. Okay, here we go. Let's put the one Mento in. I wonder what'll happen if we do two Mentos. What color do you want to do next, Yardom? Okay, we're gonna do green next. And this time we're gonna put two Mentos in. Okay, now we have our two Mentos. Let's count to 3 and drop them in. 1, 2, 3. Constant volcano! I'll have it super bubbly. Oh, that's super bubbly! Let's do 3 Mentos this time. Whoa! Do you see that? That was huge! Look at the bubbles, it's filling the bottle! Ooh! I love playing with Mentos and Coke! Do we have any other candy around here that we can try, Yardom? Oh yeah, Yardom! We have gummies! I love me some gummies! Yardom does too! Let's have our handy dandy adult come help us and open up the bottle so we can see what gummies do in the Coke. The gummies did something! How did that happen? Whoa, what's the wait? Look, there goes the dinosaur! Oh, I got the dinosaur! Oh, it's just bubbling now! That was Martian-tastic! I did not know that gummies would do that too! Oh, I want to try doing 2 bottles of Coke at once now with Mentos. I want to do a yellow bottle. Oh, Yardom, you want orange? Okay, let's get our handy dandy adult to help us take the lid off. Okay, we're going to put 2 Mentos in each and see which one can go higher. Ready, set, go! Geronimo! Those went so high! I think Yardom's won. Oh, and look, the volcanoes are still going! Ooh, that was fun! Maybe we should put a whole packet of Mentos in a bottle. Do you guys want to try that? Okay, let's get our handy dandy adult to help us. We're gonna use our blue bottle this time. Ooh, this is gonna be good. Okay, let's take off the bottle. All right, so we're gonna put a cart here, right on top of the Mentos, and then pull it out really fast so they all fall in at the same time. Are you guys ready? On a count of 3. 1, 2, 3. cousin Smarty.
Hello, friends. As you can see, the Mentos reacts to the carbon dioxide because the Mentos is a rough surface that causes the explosion.
That's science talk for a Mentos volcano. Ooh, let's keep playing with some Mentos and Coke. Alright, I want to try putting a whole packet of Mentos in a clear bottle. This way we can see what happens in the bottle when it has the chemical reaction. Let's get our handy dandy adult to help us take the top off and put the Mentos in. Be prepared for a giant volcano. The whole bottle is filled with foam! Whoa, that went so high! That was a super fast volcano too! It's like boom! Okay, I think we just have one more bottle left and it's our purple one. I think we should put gummies and Mentos in it. Does that sound fun, friends? Alright, let's go! Alright, I got my purple bottle and I'm ready to put some Mentos in it. Yardom! Yardom saying he wants to put some gummies in his red bottle. Should we see who can go higher? Alright, we need our handy dandy adult to come and help us. I think I'm gonna win. Uh-huh. Yaha, yaha, yaha. Whoa! That went so high! I think mine won! What do you think, Yardom? Oh man, that was so much fun. It's okay, Yardom. You can win at other things. I had so much fun today playing with Coke and Mentos and gummies. Be sure to join us next time on our next adventure. And be sure to like and subscribe and click here. And we'll see you guys real soon.